Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm basically today, or right now for this video, doing a follow-up video to my drunk Ipsy unboxing video that I just did. It's only fair that I go through and retry the products when I'm sober and give you my opinion of them too, because I might feel differently. So first, what we're going to be trying out is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. Comes in this nice little tub, a little tub right here. So this is what the product looks like on the inside. It smells weird. Honestly, it smells very, very weird. But it feels like your normal cream, so let's get this on. I just took it out of the lid because I didn't really want to get into the actual tub if I didn't need to. It seems like you don't need a whole lot. It goes a long way. But it doesn't really feel like it's soaking into my skin. Like, this is gonna need some soak time for sure. Interesting. It's kind of leaving my skin with like a greasy feel. So I'm hoping that goes away. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes and then I'll be right back. Alright, so it says it's been like 5 minutes, definitely less than 10 minutes. We'll round it to 7, whatever. The cream, it does leave my face feeling a little greasy, a little bit more oily than it normally is, but still soft. Like I said, a little does seem to go a long way, so it's got that going for it. I can't say it's something I'd see myself going out of my way to buy though. Like, I'm definitely probably gonna stick with my Clean and Clear moisturizer after I run out of my Mary Kay one, because it's only $3 and it does a really good job. I like it anyways. Next thing we're gonna try, well, I was gonna try the Act 2 Balancing Mask that has the chlorella green tea in it, but I put on the moisturizer first, so obviously that's not gonna happen. I figured I could at least open it though, get a feel for the texture, and maybe one of my next videos I'll do one trying this out. So, I mean, it doesn't have a smell to it. That's interesting. This is what it looks like on. I mean, it's green, just like you can see the tube in the tube. Well, so it's just like your basic everyday clay mask. I figured we'll just see how long it takes for that. It says it only takes about 10 minutes and you want to remove it before it gets too dry, so we'll just see if 10 minutes is right. But yeah. This appears to be another thing that I believe a little will go a long way. So I'm excited to try this out. Also, I don't know if I'm saying that brand's name correctly, but I'm probably not. So if you know how to say it correctly, just drop that info down in the comments. I'd appreciate that, so I don't look like a dumbass anymore. Alright, so I just went ahead and I threw on some foundation on real quick so I can go ahead and continue trying on the rest of the stuff in the box. I just threw on some of the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's the matte one, the Matte Plus poreless one, if you will. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It's foundation, it does the job, and it's not too expensive, so yes, I like it. So next up I'm going to be trying is the I Do Liquid Eyeliner by Ico, and it's a waterproof, lash enhancing eyeliner in the color Carbon Black. I actually was trying to wear this before and I liked it. It's not as like inky as a lot of the other liquid eyeliners I like to wear are, so it was nice because I wasn't too worried about smudging it when I put it on, which is one of the things they boast about this eyeliner, is how it's smudge proof. However, if you sleep with it on and you wipe your eyes in the morning, it will smudge. So it's not entirely smudge proof. I may or may not be speaking from experience. So let's get this on real quick. Another thing about this eyeliner that they were boasting about is it's supposed to improve your eyelashes, which is always a good thing because I've got like non-existent eyelashes, so if you're gonna make them more volumized, if you're gonna make them longer, I'll take it. Oh god, I'm just terrible at applying eyeliner today. Alright, it probably doesn't help that I'm looking at two different places to do it. So yeah, I mean, I like it. It's pretty, like I said, doesn't smudge. I kind of muffed up the end right there, but easy fix. One of the things, I mean, I said it was nice that it's not super inky because it's less likely to smudge, which is true, but I also feel like, I don't know, I've got a lot of creases in my eyelid, and it does make it a little bit harder to get it looking nice and even, but it's also probably just not like me just not doing it the right way. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this up and throw on the other side of eyeliner. Right, fix the eyeliner. It's not terrible looking now. The mask, it's been probably about 10 minutes. It's all nice and dry, so I'm going to go ahead, take this off real quick, and we'll see what that feels like. There ain't nothing worse than trying to take off a mask and having it be all crusty and gritty against your skin, and it hurts. I hate it. Alright, so we're just gonna wipe this off. Oh, you know what? That was not gritty at all. It came off, I mean, you can't tell. I mean, it came off really well. Very little leftovers. So that seems like a very good quality mask, and I'm very excited to try it on my face now. Clearly, this is a last-minute video because I am so underprepared and it's not very well thought out, but I'm still going with it anyways because why not? So I once again messed up, and like I did the moisturizer before the face mask, I have now done my eyeliner before my eyeshadow, but I really don't care right now, and I'm still gonna try using the eyeshadow. And I'll just fix up my eyeliner if I have to. It's not the first time I've done this, so. Again, this is the color I have. It's just, the camera's not picking it up. It's a very pretty orangey gold color. I really like it. Here we go, see? You can kind of see it. There we go. It's sad that I have to hold it all the way back here to get that, but okay. So that's the color I'm going to be using right now. I'm just going to take my nice simple little Ulta Beauty brush, and then we're just going to go like this. They actually, Ulta or no, not Ulta, Ipsy sent me, well, it's not that they sent me, but it's like talking about this month's bag. They had this like feature, they're like, do some really pretty winged orange look, and I'm like, no thank you. I think I'm a lot better at makeup than I am, because I kind of just attempted to do that and I failed miserably. I mean, it's a pretty color. I like it. I mean, I like gold colors. I'll wear them on an everyday basis without doing this weird winged look, because I don't know how to do that the right way. Practice. It makes perfect. I'm definitely gonna attempt to do it on this eye though too, even though I just proved I can't do it. That's what makeup remover's for, guys. You just take it off if it doesn't look right. I mean, yeah, that's not how you're supposed to do that, but I don't care. That's the color for you. It was, you know what, very easy to put it on. I would go out of my way to buy a Mistake brand eyeshadow. I do like it, so yeah, that seems good. Oh, I never went back and talked about the eyeliner, if I'd buy it or not for full price. I was looking online, it's like $22, and I know for $20 I can get the Kat Von D one, so I probably wouldn't get this. I do like it. We'll see. I know they say after about 15 days, like I said already, it's supposed to help your eyelashes, so if that's the case, I might lean back towards this more than the Kat Von D. But until then, Kat Von D's got my heart, NYX has got my heart, so I'm gonna stick with that. The last thing in my bag was nail polish. I'm not trying that on right now, simply because I don't have the time to wait for my nails to dry. This is the color in real life. Another reason why I'm not re-reviewing it is because I stand by everything I said when I was drunk when I first reviewed it. I liked it then, I'm sure I'll like it now. That's everything in my Ipsy bag. I definitely tried everything in the wrong order, but it looks promising. I have to say, this Ipsy bag has a lot of wins in it for me. There's only a couple things I wouldn't go out of my way to buy. Yeah, there's only a couple of things I wouldn't go out of my way to buy, and that would be the Sunday Riley Moisturizing Cream, which honestly I've heard a lot of people say they didn't like it. I felt like it did leave dry spots on my skin. We'll see how I feel by the end of the day, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be a win for me. The eyeliner, I said, it's not really something I'd go out of my way just for the price point. If it was closer to like, I don't know, $16, I probably would, but it's not my favorite. It's also not the worst that I've tried, so you gotta keep that in mind. The nail polish seems really good quality. I've actually heard a lot of good stuff about Color Club, so I totally see why. I totally see why everybody likes it. So I would definitely go out of my way to buy one of their products. Can we also talk about how I kept calling this artsy craftsy and it's artsy crafty? So apparently I can't read when I'm drunk. The face mask, I haven't tried it, but just from using it on the back of my hand, it did leave my skin nice and soft, very easy to apply, very easy to take off, didn't leave my, wasn't super scratchy on my skin, so I would definitely go out of my way to buy that. And then the eyeshadow, would definitely go out of my way to buy that too. I mean, look at this cute little box that came in. Alright, so that was my rating for this month's August 2019 Ipsy bag. The theme to it was Bare Yourself. So they say it's, sorry, get it out of the bag, is this month use your 5 glam bag picks to celebrate and highlight all of the things you love or are learning to love about you. So, I mean, I don't know what eyeshadow and eyeliner have to do with loving my natural self, but I appreciate it. I mean, they're nice colors, they're good colors, good quality, I'm not complaining about it, so. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys the next time the video, or the next, I'll see you guys the next time, and if you have any questions, comments, video suggestions, don't forget to drop them down below.